How to add 10% off on Shopify. So first, go to your account, and then you can just click on discounts here at the left side, and then click on create discount. Alright, now here you just need to choose your discount type. So I'm just going to choose the amount of products. And then here, just choose your method, whether you want to do a discount code or just an automatic discount. Alright, so let's say I'm going to use the automatic discount. Just type in your title here. And then here, for your discount value, make sure to choose percentage here, and then just type in 10 here. Right now here, choose where you want it to apply to. So for example, you want to apply it to collections or just specific products. So let's say I'm going to apply it to just a specific product. You can just click on that and then just click on browse here, and then just choose a product where you want to apply the discount to. So just click on add here, and there you go. Now here, if you want to choose the eligibility of the discount, whether you want it to be eligible for all customers or just specific customer segments or just specific customers. All right, so let's say I'm going to choose all customers here, and then as for the minimum purchase requirements, just choose whether you want to add minimum purchase requirements or not. But as for me, I'm just going to say no here. And then if you want to add combinations, you can do that here as well. So here, as for the active date, start date, just choose the date per you want the discount to start, and then the time here as well. So if you want to add a end date here as well, you can just do that. Click on here and then just add your end date here. All right. And then after that, you can just click on save here at the top or save at the bottom. All right. And there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.